Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're very happy to have you listening to our podcast today.
If you enjoy learning English through conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can follow all our future episodes.
That's right. We create simple and useful conversations to help you practice English in everyday life.
Today, we have a fun and interesting topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about music.
Music is something that almost everyone in the world enjoys.
People listen to music in many different places, such as at home, in the car, at work, or while walking outside.
Some people like to listen to music early in the morning to start their day with a good mood.
Others prefer listening to music at night when they want to relax after a long day.
Music can be a big part of people's daily routines.
For example, many people listen to music while studying, cooking, or doing housework.
Music can make everyday activities feel more enjoyable.
That's very true. When people listen to their favorite songs, they often feel happier and more energetic.
Music can also change our mood.
Happy music can make us feel excited and positive.
And slow, quiet music can help us feel calm and relaxed.
Sometimes people listen to music when they feel sad because it helps them express their emotions.
Music can really connect with our feelings in a powerful way.
Another interesting thing is that people have very different tastes in music.
Yes, some people enjoy pop music, while others prefer rock music.
Some people love classical music because it is calm and beautiful.
Others enjoy jazz because it has a unique and creative sound.
There are also people who enjoy traditional music from their own culture.
Listening to traditional music can remind people of their history and culture.
Music is also a great way to learn about different cultures around the world.
When you listen to music from another country, you can hear different instruments and styles.
You may also hear different languages and rhythms.
Music can bring people from different cultures together.
Friends often share songs with each other and talk about their favorite music.
Sometimes people even discover new types of music through their friends.
Another popular way people enjoy music is by attending concerts.
Concerts are exciting because people can listen to live music and watch musicians perform on stage. The atmosphere at a concert is usually very energetic and fun. Everyone is listening to the same music and enjoying the moment together.
Music is also very helpful for people who are learning English.
Many English learners enjoy listening to English songs because they are fun and interesting.
Songs can help learners remember new vocabulary and expressions.
When learners listen to songs many times, they naturally become familiar with the language.
Singing along with songs can also help improve pronunciation and confidence.
Some teachers even use songs in the classroom to make learning more enjoyable.
Music can make the learning process more relaxed and fun.
That's why music is not only entertainment, but also a powerful learning tool.
And it's something that people of all ages can enjoy.
Another interesting thing about music is how it becomes part of people's daily lives. Many people listen to music during different activities throughout the day.
Yes, for example, some people listen to music while traveling to work or school.
Listening to music during a long trip can make the journey feel shorter and more enjoyable.
Many people also create playlists for different moods or activities.
That's true. Someone might have a playlist for studying, another one for exercising, and another for relaxing.
Music can also help people focus better.
Some students say that listening to soft music helps them concentrate while studying.
However, other people prefer complete silence when they study.
Everyone is different, and that's what makes music interesting.
Another important part of music is the artist who creates it.
Musicians spend a lot of time writing songs, practicing instruments, and performing.
Many artists start learning music when they are very young.
They might learn to play instruments like the guitar, piano, or drums.
Playing an instrument can be both challenging and rewarding.
It requires practice, patience, and dedication.
But once someone learns to play well, it can be a wonderful skill.
Many people also enjoy singing along to their favorite songs.
Singing can be a fun activity whether you are alone or with friends.
Some people sing at home, while others enjoy singing at karaoke with their friends.
Karaoke is very popular in many countries because it allows people to enjoy music together.
Even if someone is not a professional singer, they can still have fun singing their favorite songs.
Music also plays an important role in celebrations and special events.
For example, music is often played at weddings, birthday parties, and festivals.
These events feel more joyful when music is part of the celebration.
Music can also create strong memories.
Sometimes, when people hear an old song, it reminds them of a special moment in their life.
It might remind them of their childhood, school days, or a memorable trip.
Music has a special way of connecting sounds with memories.
That's one reason why people often keep listening to the same songs for many years.
Another interesting thing is that music is constantly changing.
New songs and new styles of music appear every year.
Technology also makes it easier for people to discover new music.
Today, people can listen to music on their phones, computers, or streaming platforms.
This means people can explore music from many different countries and cultures.
Because of this, music is becoming more global than ever before.
Many young artists can now share their music online and reach listeners around the world.
Social media has also helped many musicians become popular very quickly.
Sometimes a single song can become famous around the world in just a few days.
That shows how powerful music can be in connecting people everywhere.
Another interesting thing is that people often use music to express their identity.
Yes, the type of music someone listens to can say a lot about their personality.
Some people enjoy energetic music because they like excitement and movement.
Others prefer calm music because they enjoy peaceful and relaxing moments.
Music is also a way for artists to share their ideas and feelings.
Through songs, musicians can talk about love, life, dreams, and even social issues.
That's why many people feel a deep connection to certain songs or artists.
Music is more than just sound. It is a form of communication and expression.
And that is one reason why music continues to play such an important role in people's lives.
Another interesting thing about music is how it can connect people from different cultures and backgrounds. Even if people speak different languages, they can still enjoy the same song together.
That's true. Music is often called a universal language because people everywhere can understand the emotions in a song.
For example, a happy song can make people want to dance and smile.
And a slow or emotional song can make people feel thoughtful or calm.
Many people also enjoy discovering music from different countries.
Yes, listening to international music helps people learn about different cultures and traditions.
Sometimes people become interested in another country because they first heard its music.
That's a great point. Music can introduce us to new languages, new instruments, and new styles.
Another interesting part of music is how it evolves over time.
Yes, music from the past can be very different from music today.
For example, songs from many years ago often used different instruments and recording techniques.
Today, technology allows musicians to create sounds using computers and digital tools.
This has created many new styles of music.
At the same time, many people still enjoy older songs.
Classic songs often remain popular for many generations.
Some families even share their favorite music with younger generations.
For example, parents might introduce their children to the music they loved when they were young.
This can create special family memories connected to music.
Another interesting habit people have is creating personal playlists.
Yes, people often organize songs based on their mood or activities.
Someone might have a playlist for relaxing, one for studying, and another for exercising.
This makes it easy to find the right music for any moment.
Music can also inspire creativity.
Many artists, writers, and designers listen to music while working on creative projects.
The rhythm and mood of music can help people focus and think of new ideas.
Some people even say that music helps them feel more motivated.
For example, listening to energetic songs can encourage someone to keep working or studying.
Music can also help people feel less stressed during a busy day.
Taking a short break to listen to music can help people relax and refresh their minds.
Another interesting thing is how people remember songs for many years.
Yes, even after a long time, hearing a familiar song can bring back strong memories.
It might remind someone of a school event, a party, or a special moment with friends.
This is why music often becomes part of important moments in our lives.
For example, people often remember songs that were popular during their teenage years.
Those songs can remind them of their friends, school days, and special experiences.
Music is also an important part of movies and television.
Yes, background music can make a scene more exciting, emotional, or dramatic.
Sometimes a movie becomes famous because of its soundtrack.
When people hear the music again, they immediately remember the movie.
Music is also used in advertisements and public events.
Companies often choose music carefully to create a certain feeling for their audience.
For example, energetic music can make an advertisement feel exciting and modern.
Soft music can make something feel calm, warm, and emotional.
Another interesting thing is that music can influence our energy levels.
Fast music can make people feel active and ready to move.
That's why many people listen to upbeat music when they exercise or play sports.
On the other hand, slow music can help people relax after a long day.
Some people even listen to quiet instrumental music while they read or study.
Music is also used in places like cafes, restaurants, and stores.
Background music can create a comfortable atmosphere for customers.
That's why music is present in so many places in our daily lives. Whether we are working, relaxing, celebrating, or traveling, music often accompanies us. And that is one reason why music continues to be such an important and meaningful part of human life.
Now that we've talked a lot about music, another important part is how it can inspire us to try new things. Listening to different types of music can help us discover new artists, instruments, and even cultures.
That's true. For example, someone might hear a jazz song and decide to learn how to play the saxophone.
Or hearing a song in another language might encourage someone to learn that language.
Music can also bring people together. Friends often share songs and playlists with each other.
Yes, and attending concerts or music festivals allows people to enjoy music with others and create lasting memories.
Another thing is that music helps people express their emotions.
Whether someone feels happy, sad, excited, or relaxed, there's always a song that fits their mood.
Music also encourages creativity. Some people write their own songs, play instruments, or create dance routines inspired by music.
That's right. Music is not only something we listen to, but also something we can create ourselves.
Another benefit is that music can help with learning English. Listening to English songs improves vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening skills.
Singing along with songs is also a fun way to practice speaking.
Music makes learning enjoyable and easier to remember.
Another important point is that music can be a great stress reliever.
Listening to calming music after a busy day can help people relax and feel peaceful.
And music can motivate us, like listening to energetic songs while exercising or working on a project.
Music really is everywhere in our daily lives, from home to school, from celebrations to quiet moments alone.
Music also helps us feel connected to memories. A song from years ago can remind us of special moments, friends, or family.
That's true. Music often becomes part of important moments in our lives, like weddings, parties, or even quiet personal reflections.
Another interesting point is that technology makes music even more accessible.
Yes, streaming platforms allow people to explore songs from all over the world.
Social media also helps new artists reach audiences quickly and connect with fans globally.
Music is constantly evolving, and exploring new songs can be exciting and inspiring.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the English Learner Podcast. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about music and learned some useful expressions along the way.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss our future episodes, and share this podcast with your friends who want to practice English.
Remember, music is more than just sound. It connects people, inspires creativity, and helps you express yourself.
Keep listening, singing, and exploring new music every day.
Try sharing your favorite songs with friends or family and see how it can create fun conversations and memories.
You can even try learning a song in English to practice your listening and speaking skills.
Music is not only entertaining, but also a tool for learning, creativity, and personal growth.
So enjoy music in your daily life, explore new genres, and let it inspire you every day.
See you next time. And remember, enjoy music, practice English, and have fun learning.
Happy learning, everyone! Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy improving your English.